Welcome homemakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another festive recipe fit for the holidays, the food for the gods. Food for the gods is a rich and tasty dessert that is made of walnuts and dates. Quite expensive ingredients, yet so delicious. That's the name, food for the gods. This is a sweet, moist, and a very wet recipe, and to keep it from drying up, it should be wrapped individually with aluminum foil before wrapping in colored cellophane. This recipe is so easy to make because we're just going to put everything in a bowl and then bake. We're just going to use the wire whisk. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of melted butter, 3 whole eggs, 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of glucose to make this chewy. This is the secret ingredient. 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 1/2 cups of chopped walnuts, 1 1/2 cup of chopped dates, and for the topping, whole dates and whole walnuts. Of course, we're going to use an 8 by 12 rectangular pan and the colored cellophane, red and orange. Okay, we're going to start mixing. Start with 3 eggs. Beat the eggs. Then add the sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, add the melted butter, add 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup, then 1 tablespoon of glucose, then 1 tablespoon of molasses, or you can use maple syrup. Mix until the sugar has melted. Okay, set aside. Then we're going to sift the flour, the baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Mix this. flour. Flour. Going to use 7 by 11 instead. Then we're going to top this with half dates. And whole walnuts. Then we're going to bake this at 300 for at least 30 minutes. Now my food for the gods is baked at 300 for 50 minutes. You can test the sides. There, and the center there. We have to let this cool first before we cut. So nice. Now this has chilled overnight, and we're going to unmold and cut. Run a spatula through the sides. before we wrap in a colored cellophane. Wrapping lips. I'm going to wrap all of this. I'm going to finish wrapping this food for the goods. There. Then we're going to wrap this with colored cellophane. Now we're going to wrap this in colored cellophane. I'm using red and orange. Very nice. It glistens. Let's try the orange. Glistens. This is great as gifts during the holiday season, and it's very delicious. I will love this. Look at my food for the gods. Very nice. There you have it, my food for the gods. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!